Testing. Good morning, everybody. Alright, quite an eventful FOMC stream last night. Didn't get the planned buys, but we did get that move up liquidity grab, and we took advantage of the sells. Still holding some runners here. And then on US 30, also really amazing move here. Took some sells here on US 30 as well. Secured about 400 points. And currently up about 700 points. And letting that run and do its thing. What we should most likely see here is, after such a strong move, we could see some consolidation. Right, I'm not going to be focusing on US 30, but obviously if you're on the stream last night, just to go over this trade that I'm still holding, I would expect to see some consolidation, maybe some further pullback here, and then a continuation, most probably later on today, New York session, NYSE. So I'm not looking to take any more trades here, just going to hold the initial position, although I've already closed out 75%. Dollar index, we can see very strong. Right after that move up yesterday, you have had a little bit of a pullback. Looks like we're forming support. Don't want to look at it too deeply. We know that the dollar is strong. And then here on gold. Alright, so let me remove all of this. And then we do a fresh analysis for the day. Yesterday's candle closed nice and bearish. Once we start to break some of these lows, I would expect us to drive down into support here at 1623, let's call it. Gold has been in this higher time frame consolidation for a period of time now, and yesterday was definitely a nice catalyst to see some further some further dollar strength. As you can see, we had this massive rejection with FOMC off of these key areas, 1670. So like I say, if we break these lows at 1630, there's nowhere else for price to really go but let me move this up, 1623, let's call it. But we could potentially even get in before the break of those lows. Looking at the lower time frames here, we've got a support formed right here on the 30 minute. The closure below there, and this range right here is about 37 pips, let's say 30 to 40 pips. Hourly candle just closed bearish. Your 4-hour candle closed like a bearish doji. Looks like we are rejecting some significant areas. Look at all these wicks. 1640. Yes, yeah, this looks good. Nice tap into that level right there. And expecting a continuation here. So if we can get a top wick on this current hourly candle, I'll be looking at some impulse entries on the break of these lows. Looks like we may not create this top wick. Let's see. And let's have a look. GJ. Almost forgot about GJ. So the weekly analysis here on GJ was looking for a retracement, right? I've marked up some levels here, and this level 168.300 was basically the last level I was looking at for price to tap into for potential buyers. We are sitting around that level, so if we form support here, I could be looking for buys, but I do want to see some bullish strength, like a nice strong bullish candle closure or something. Quite a bullish 4-hour there. Your daily I think is very bearish. The other thing is actually we've got GBP interest rates today, so yeah, let's maybe rather leave GJ, because we may see some consolidation here as we wait for the interest rates to be released, whereas on gold we're looking at a continuation from yesterday's interest rates release. So I think gold is going to give us a much higher probability setup here today. Unfortunately, we didn't have a top wick there. I like the look of the break of the lows here, but that top wick is keeping me out of this trade right now. I haven't updated the record from last week. Last week I think I only took one trade, so I'll go back and have a look at that. And then when was it? Tuesday, Monday I think. Took a GJ bar, stop loss was hit for about 23 pips, negative 23 pips. And then of course last night was just off the charts. Is the news bullish for GBP? Has the news come out yet? I don't know. If they continue to raise interest rates, it should be bullish for the pound, just like with the dollar. Gold is pushing here. So gold is tapping into this 4-hour support right here. Not major, but the fact that we have no top wick on this candle, we could see price retrace from this level, potentially come create that top wick. And that's what I wanted to avoid with this impulse entry here today. Morning Wayne, what's up? Oh wow, this is not the real move on gold yet. Oh, you never know. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. and we'll get clean moves further as we go into London. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. 15-minute candle about to close. It's unfortunate we got no top wick here. At this point, I'm really interested in sells below 16.32. That's going to be our safest area to be taking sells. Obviously, higher time frame, we bearish here on gold. We've got a fundamental catalyst to continue moving bearish from FOMC and interest rate increase yesterday. So that's why I was a little bit more confident in taking impulse entries here. Like I say, unfortunately this candle had no top wick, so I couldn't do that. I think gold will go to 16.45. I don't think so, bro. I don't think so. Could always be opportunities if we do close below 16.36 here. Could be looking at something like this on the slightly lower time frames. If price can come back, retest this area, potentially even create a top wick for this candle right here, and then continue moving down. So on the 5-minute time frame, let's say it would look something like that. Sorry, Wayne, are we looking for closure below 16.34? 16.34. No, I'm either going to stay out of this. I won't be looking for trades in this range. I wouldn't have minded sells below 16.36. That would have given us a little bit more range here moving down. But to take trades in the middle of this range, we're quite close to this hourly support right here. Check GJ. I'm really not too interested in GJ today. You could definitely see some moves here to set up for interest rates later on. But it's tricky. You had a very significant support right here. And then on the way up, this traffic to the left is just really ugly. There's no really clean ranges right here. Of course, we could see volume at London Open, but for the most part, just how I was waiting for FOMC on gold to be taking trades. So I didn't take trades basically the whole week. Took one GJ trade on Tuesday. Other than that, I've been waiting for FOMC. So with GJ, your best approach here is going to be waiting for this news later on today. There's no point in trading this current price action when we know that there's big news later on. There's nothing really happening here on GJ. Even if there weren't news, right now this is looking like probably no trades. Sorry if I'm not that talkative today, guys. Woken up with quite a headache. But we know what we're looking for, and we just need to wait here. Gold is already moving down quite nicely today. We can see that continuation of dollar strength coming in. Now we just need to look for a closure below 1632. Otherwise, like I plotted out here, potentially lower time frame, if we do pull back up to retest 1636, could be looking for sells from that area as well. Keep in mind, London Open is an hour later from what we used to hear on stream. London Open is at 10 o'clock, so an hour, 40 minutes. So we could still take some pre-London trades here. As you can see, there's some nice pre-London volume here already. So who in the chat was here last night for the FOMC stream? I know Wayne was here. Wayne made some nice money. How about everybody else? Anyone catch some of the trades from last night? It's funny, my girlfriend actually left to America yesterday, so of course I would like to go and visit her, and old Jerome Powell pulled through and paid for my plane ticket. So yesterday was amazing. Good morning, what's up?
You said about plane ticket.
Pardon?
Huh? So, what are you saying about a plane ticket?
I was just saying Kalen left to America yesterday, so Jerome Powell paid for my plane ticket.
Lovely weather, eh?
Hey?
Lovely weather.
Doesn't look too great, eh? Actually drizzling here.
Training here by me too.
So no golf.
I think driving range is fucked.
Chalked.
Well,
Yeah.
it depends, bro. Maybe it clears up and then we can just, I mean, we're not playing, so we can just go hit balls, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
I told Kyle we're gonna go for lunch.
Oh, yeah. What time?
How's 12?
Yeah, it should be fine with me.
Just need to check with him because he said he does have some stuff to do. I think he has to fetch his license.
Oh, okay. And I'm annoyed, bro.
What's up?
No, I told you that I don't understand why I looked at FOMC so wrong.
Yeah.
Low-key, it wasn't wrong. It just had a much bigger fucking spark than I thought to the top.
Yeah.
After it played out and I like went back and I looked at it this morning now, I saw like I had the right idea, just the wrong execution. So,
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes that's all it is.
That's the wrong execution. It is what it is now. Yeah. Yes, yes. Doesn't GJ just look lovely to put a trend line in over here?
Oh yeah, I saw that, but yeah, I'm gonna stay away from GJ this morning.
Me too, but I'm not on a CPR day. I'm fine. Not now. Wait, what time is CPR?
It's interest rates. It's 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, yeah. We're gonna be having lunch then.
Yeah, best believe.
Maybe we'll benefit NYC Open. Maybe we can suss it out.
You know what I think is gonna move really nasty at NYSE Open today? It's US 30.
Bro, I was thinking that same thing when you said. Just because I opened the tab on US 30 now, where I never used to have a tab open, just to do like analysis and trading view. So just because of the runner that you have in, so I've been watching your two runners like it's my runners, bro, but it's your runners.
Yeah.
So I've just been watching them the whole time. This morning even I woke up, yeah, please gold, don't go above 40, and I'm like, hey, US 30 you mustn't have retraced yet. Go in, I'll see. I'm like, yes, Connor's making more money. I was like, bro, why am I getting so excited for you? It's meant to be me making the money too.
It's because I'm buying you lunch.
Buying me lunch twice, exact with those runners. Yes, it's done.
So this is the last FOMC year on US 30. Had that nice move down, and then You know, like I discussed this morning, you could definitely see some pullback, a little bit of a correction of this move, and then some consolidation. But come 3:30, oh wait, the day after we actually consolidated here, but on the Friday of that week of that FOMC, we had a nice continuation down. So yeah, just be patient here. We should see some nice continuations, possibly today, maybe tomorrow, maybe even next week. But
sorry.
yeah,
I wanted to ask, what US 30 do you look at on TradingView? Currency.com.
oh, and
You see it, bro. So oh wait, I found.
I like Oanda because there's no gaps.
Does it say US Wall Street 30? That one.
Yeah, that's the one.
Ours is US 30s are handled so down low. It's only like the first recommended one. It's weird. That's fun.
What's up?
Oh, nothing. Just doing math in my head. That's all.
Just doing math in your head.
Yeah,
the account's officially sitting over double.
I don't know. Math isn't that bad. No, my idea on US 30 would have worked much better than on gold because US 30 did it to a T basically.
Yeah, US 30 didn't push up so much.
Literally went to the. I'm sorry. Yeah, no, it went exactly to that point and came back. But,
especially on like a 1 minute time frame, it was just perfect.
Look, on a 30 minutes, it's literally a fake out. Like, literally a tiny fake out.
Oh yeah.
Literally to the T. So, fine.
See, I had this alert in here at like 33,100. It was, yeah, like 33 points off. It's like super close. I've been looking for these cells. Am I correct in saying that GJ, we would look for a strong down move with news and push up after? So we wait for a buy opportunity. If we see what happens with gold happen on GJ, then yeah, that would be the case. Honestly, I haven't watched interest rates play out on GJ all that often. But let's go back and have a look at what happened last time.
I thought
September 22nd.
DJ, aren't you funded? I always thought DJ was funded, bro.
What?
DJ, like I always thought he was funded.
Oh, DJ.
Yeah, he says I wish I had a 1K account to trade last night, but I thought he was always funded.
I think maybe you wanted to flip it.
How much percent did you make on your live, bro? Like from last night? Did you make the full 100% last night, or was it last night?
No, I made like 50% last night. Well, 50% of the initial balance. Yeah, I made dude, I made nearly about the same on my live account as I did on my funded.
Oh, but like I was explaining, bro, literally just because you're not in that box, you can. Like, it's not that you're over-risking to a point. It's like still valid. You know what I mean? It's not like you went fucking 10 lots on gold, for example.
Yeah.
You do stupid shit like that. So, I mean, and now if you keep using the same lots, you're still in now you're even in a more comfortable position. Are you gonna up your lot now, seeing that the account's double what it was?
I'll probably lose this account for a bit and just focus on the funded.
Oh yeah, makes sense. How did? How the fuck did you make the same? You're talking about after the runner that you made the same amount on the funded?
Yeah, I actually made more on the live account. I secured like 5k got 2k running. On the funded I made 6. So on the funded I made like 2%.
Okay, that makes sense.
But I'm just saying it's so hectic. The funded is literally like 30 times bigger. And I made the same amount. Driving range today. Yeah, we were talking about it. It's a bit rainy outside. We'll see.
Do you think the rain's gonna stop at like 11ish, 10ish? I'm not sure.
It's not heavy rain, eh? Could
It's not.
definitely blow over.
Yeah, but like, yeah, I don't know. Good stop, I'm keen for. No,
Yeah.
if you wanna see someone with the shittest technique in golf, it's Carl Watt, bro. For some reason, this man can move a ball, eh?
Oh
I don't
no, I
understand.
know you can.
Bro, have you seen his technique?
No.
Buddy, nah, bro.